Call the cops. I mean, that's the first thing that ran through my mind when I saw him today. This is not the same person who was riding on a unicycle naked through the homecoming parade.
That was you?
Everybody has a past. This is good.
Wait, it's not too sweet? He usually has some serious sugar action going on in there. I keep telling him you can put more in if you want, but you can't take it out.
We're talking about apartments. We're talking about the Garden District. They have some nice little places there.
Stay away from the Garden District. I mean, there is serious crime there. But I don't know what you're looking for, but I'm sure you can find some nice studio apartments elsewhere.
Yeah.
It's not bad, honey.
I wish I didn't have to live someplace.
What do you mean?
Right now, I just have this one key, and I really like that. Everything I own is in my car. If I get an apartment, that's 2 keys. I just really like having the one key.
Get rid of the car once you get a new apartment, and then you only have 1 key.
I like the car. The car is important. If you want to get someplace in a hurry.
Do you pay taxes?
Of course. Only a liar doesn't pay taxes. I'm not a liar. A liar is the second lowest form of human being.
What's the first?
Lawyers.
It's you, honey.